Hello, my name is Katlin, and I am recording the screencast for ATM 101 for UAF. This is my observing station. The coordinates are 60.194413 north and 149.378486 west. I am actually located I'm located near Seward, Alaska, but I'm only about 7 miles out to the north, and I am taking my observations on January 12th, 2018 at 2100, so 9 p.m. And it is winter time. So anyways, today the temperature was 30 degrees, 30.3 with my left thermometer Fahrenheit, and negative 0.8 Celsius. And then with the right side, it was 30.4 Fahrenheit and negative 0.4 Celsius. On my other thermometer, the glass one, it was 31.46 Fahrenheit and negative 0.3 Celsius. It was pretty rainy today. Well, not super rainy, but it was rainy, and it snowed a little. So here's the area that I live in. This is Bear Lake area, so this is Bear Lake over here. And then if you go down the highway, we're almost there. This is the city of Seward. So this is where most of the rainy weather takes place. We get actually some snow out where I am for my observing station. Today the cloud type, I would say, would have been stratus. The whole sky was covered, so that makes it kind of hard to tell, and it was kind of dark today. There was a light breeze today, headed towards the south, and the sea level of Seward is 0 feet from what I have been able to find. But yeah, so this is my first screencast for Unit 2, and I'll give you a bigger view of where Seward is in Alaska. So don't forget, right down here is Seward. Up here somewhere is where I live. And then go out. And there's Seward, right at the bottom of the peninsula. Well, thank you.